You can use arraysSum method to check if any of the elements in the array satisfy a particular condition or not. And you can use arraysEvery method to check if all the elements in the array satisfy a particular condition or not. Let's see if I want to check if any of the elements in the array is greater than 95 or not. I can use scores_sum method for that. Let's try to do that. For that, I'm going to say scores.sum. And when I try to use it, it looks a lot like filter method, but it returns Boolean as the return type, whereas filter method returns the whole array. So I'm going to copy the same condition, but instead of checking if the value is greater than 75 or not, I'm going to check if the value is greater than 95 or not. And this returns a Boolean value. So let's try to print that in a console log here. I'm going to say console.log and then put parenthesis around my sum method here. And now if I try to print this, it's going to print the filtered array. And then it's going to print false because not any element in my array is greater than 95. If I change this to 75 and then click on submit, then it's going to print true because there are two elements which are satisfying this condition. So this is how you can use sum method to check if any of the elements are satisfying that condition or not. You can use every method to check if all the elements are satisfying that condition or not. I'm going to change the sum to every here. And then if I try to click on submit here, it's going to print false because not all elements in the array are greater than 75. If I change this to 50 and then click on submit, that's going to print true because all the elements in the array are satisfying this condition, which is value should be greater than 15. So this is how you can use every method where you're checking all the elements. In the next section, I'm going to talk about sort and reduce methods.